I built an AI chatbot that pulled in $5,000 in its first week. I was feeling pretty good about myself, thinking I had cracked the code. Then I woke up one morning to find my account shadow banned, and 3 months of work evaporated overnight. Here's the thing, I wasn't even doing anything wrong. I just didn't understand the invisible rules of the game I was playing. Today, I'm showing you the AI side hustles genuinely making people $10,000 a month, exactly how those same hustles are getting people permanently banned, and what to do instead. Hey, we probably haven't officially met. I'm the AI clone of the real Mark Z with Coded. I've spent over 30 years in enterprise technology and more than 12 years specializing in NetSuite as a developer, consultant, and integration specialist. And honestly, I get it. Keeping up with everything happening right now feels impossible. AI is changing every week. Bitcoin went from weird internet money to something McDonald's is testing. NetSuite keeps adding capabilities that most businesses don't even know exist. The knowledge gap is widening fast. Here's the thing, you don't need to figure all this out alone. 2026 is here. That's literally why I built this channel, to help business owners and entrepreneurs stay ahead of the curve in AI, NetSuite, Bitcoin, and enterprise automation without paying ridiculous consultant rates or spending hundreds of hours researching. If that sounds valuable, hit subscribe right now. New videos every week. Let's make sure you're positioned on the right side of what's coming. Artificial intelligence is here to stay. Now back to the video. 3 models are actually working right now, and the money is real. First is what I call the AI content engine. People are using tools like ChatGPT and Claude to generate articles, social media posts, and email sequences at scale, then monetizing through affiliate marketing. The math is seductive. You can produce 50 pieces of content in the time it used to take to write one. Plug in affiliate links. Let the algorithms work. Theoretically, the money flows while you sleep. I've seen people legitimately pull 4 to 5 figures monthly with this approach. Second is custom AI chatbots as a service. Platforms like Upwork are flooded with businesses desperate for customer service automation. You spin up a custom chatbot using no-code tools like VoiceFlow or Bubble, connect it to their knowledge base, and charge anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per implementation. The recurring maintenance contracts are where the real money lives. I know a solo operator with 18 clients paying $200 to $500 monthly each. Do that math. Third is the AI art and digital asset play. Midjourney and DALL-E have created an entirely new product category. People are generating AI art, packaging it as stock assets or print-on-demand products, and building genuine income streams. I met someone at a conference who generated over $40,000 selling AI-created assets to designers and marketers, not hype, just consistent utility-based sales. The pattern across all 3 models is identical. AI collapses the time between idea and execution, platforms handle distribution, and you monetize attention or utility. This is information arbitrage in its purest form, and 2026 is the window where it's most accessible. Now, here's where people get absolutely destroyed, and the platforms are not going to warn you before they pull the trigger. The content engine model has a fatal flaw most people don't see coming. YouTube, Medium, LinkedIn, and virtually every major platform have updated their terms of service around AI-generated content disclosure. YouTube specifically now requires disclosure of synthetic media. If you're producing AI content and not clearly labeling it, you are violating terms of service right now. Get caught hiding it, and you're looking at demonetization or outright channel termination. I've watched channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers get wiped out overnight because they didn't take this seriously. The chatbot model has its own minefield. When you're building customer service bots for clients, you're often handling sensitive customer data. Privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA apply whether you know about them or not. One misconfigured data flow, one improper storage decision, and your client faces massive fines. Guess who they're coming after when the lawyers get involved? You. And good luck getting new clients after that reputation hit. The AI art space? The copyright situation is genuinely unresolved. Training data lawsuits are working their way through courts right now. Some stock platforms have already started rejecting AI-generated content entirely. Others require specific licensing disclosures. If you're selling AI art without understanding the intellectual property implications, you're building on sand that could shift any day. Here's the part that kills me. The people getting banned aren't usually bad actors, they're just uninformed. They jumped into the gold rush without understanding that every gold rush in history has been littered with people who got crushed because they didn't see the structural risks underneath the opportunity. The platforms have every incentive to let you build first and enforce later. Your content generates engagement for them while you're growing. Then when you become visible enough to matter, the compliance hammer drops. This is not paranoia. This is pattern recognition from watching this cycle repeat across 2 decades of internet platforms. So what do you actually do with this information? Because the opportunity is real, and I'm not telling you to sit on the sidelines. The answer is human-AI collaboration rather than pure AI automation. The disclosure requirements exist because platforms are trying to distinguish between authentic human creators and content farms. Be the authentic human creator who uses AI as a force multiplier. Use AI to draft, but inject your expertise and perspective. Use AI to accelerate, but maintain creative oversight. This isn't just ethically cleaner, it's strategically smarter because it's actually sustainable. Second principle is radical transparency. Disclose your AI usage proactively rather than reactively. Put it in your descriptions, your about pages, your client contracts. When platforms tighten enforcement, you want to already be on the right side of the line. The creators who survive regulatory waves are always the ones who over-disclosed early. Third is infrastructure you control. Track your income streams, your client relationships, your content performance, and systems you own. Don't rely entirely on platform dashboards that can disappear if your account gets restricted. If one platform shuts you down, you need the data and relationships to pivot immediately. This is operator thinking versus gold rusher thinking, and it's the difference between building wealth and chasing it. The more people who see these videos, the bigger the impact. That's where you come in. If you find value in what I'm sharing, please hit that like button, share this with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe. When you subscribe and turn on notifications, it signals to YouTube to show this content to more people. It means this message about creativity, resilience, financial empowerment, and community reaches those who might need it most. If this kind of strategic thinking resonates with you, hit that subscribe button right now. This channel is dedicated to showing you how AI and automation can build sustainable wealth, not flash-in-the-pan income that evaporates when the rules change. Drop a comment below and tell me which AI side hustle you're exploring. I read every single comment, and check the links in the description for free tools and resources. I give away production-ready stuff that would cost you thousands if you hired a consultant to build it. The 2026 wealth window is real, but it's closing on people who don't understand the game they're playing. Make sure you're one of the ones who gets through. So here's the deal. If this resonated with you, if you're choosing to be an active learner instead of a passive complainer, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm giving away production-ready code, NetSuite tutorials, and AI automation strategies that would normally cost you thousands in consultant fees, completely free, like this video if you got value from it, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message, not your broke friends who want to complain. Share it with the people who are actually ready to learn and build. I'll see you in the next one. Now go implement something.